We are gonna talk about dictionaries. So let's get started. Please watch this video up to the very end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Saraj and I'm here to help you improve your English skills. Today we are going to talk about the tool in English that every English learner should master, the dictionary. I'll show you how to understand and use it effectively, so you can expand your vocabulary and get more confident with your English. Okay, let's talk about dictionary. It's more than just a book or an app that gives you the meaning of a word. It's a treasure trove of information that gives you, I don't know, the pronunciation, word usage, or some word origin. So it is very important to know how to use dictionaries. At first, please pay attention to choose the right dictionary. Please consider purchasing a good dictionary if they would be useful in your study or in your career. Okay? Note that we have lots of different kind of dictionaries and many countries have their own native dictionary. But I suggest you to use an English to English dictionary because it boosts the speed of your learning. No matter you buy a book or you download an app, but Oxford and Longman dictionaries are fantastic and I recommend you to use them. Most English learners agree with me on this. The best way to learn how to use dictionary effectively is to read the introduction section. It will explain the some kind of important information such as abbreviation or pronunciation symbols or something like this throughout the entries. One of the most important things in searching for a word in dictionaries is learning the abbreviations. Dictionaries always have abbreviations in their definition of some kind of words. You can find them. Why is it important? Because this can be confusing if you don't know what an abbreviation stands for, so you can't use it in your sentences. We have different kind of abbreviations. For example, ADJ stands for adjectives. I don't know, ADV or ADVB can stand for adverbs. Something like N can stand for a noun, V for verb, or etc. Learn the guide of pronunciation in your dictionaries. If you immediately jump into reading the word without knowing and understanding the pronunciation guide, I promise that you won't figure out. I promise you that I will record a video for you guys for symbols of pronunciation separately to help you understand them better and solve your problems with pronunciation part. The next one is to read the definition once you have located your word in your dictionary. It will tell you exactly what the word means, and if the word has more than one meaning, it will tell you the most common one at first. In my opinion, the most important part is examples, which are provided for each word. You know, dictionaries have a definition for a lot of words. They also have synonyms for them, which means some words that have same meaning with the word that you are looking for. There are also antonyms for them, which means the word that is opposite of your word that you're looking for, okay? But as I said, the most important part is examples. Do you know why? Because when you search for a word as an English learner, you might not understand the meaning of that word by reading the definition and synonyms, okay? So, in this time, you must check for and look for examples to see how it is used in that example. I promise that you will understand the meaning for 90%. Placing a word in a sentence or in a statement is the best way to understand the meaning of that. I know that this video is not enough for learning everything about dictionaries. There are some golden rules that I want to teach you, and I will take and record a video for you guys about it. So please subscribe and turn on notification. If you find this video helpful, please like it, and as always, love you all and goodbye.